Hey there! Today I'm gonna show you how to become a file management wizard using CMD and Excel. So let's dive in. Let's say you've been provided with an Excel file of all company employees. So you start by creating folders manually, copy and paste the names one by one. Well, I'm gonna stop you there and I'll show you a faster way using Excel and CMD to create employee folders in seconds. First, write the command MD with a space in a cell. Then in the next one, input double quotation. In the third cell, refer to the employee name cell. And finally, in the fourth one, input double quotation. Your command should look something like this. Now open CMD from the folder path, copy and paste your list, hit enter, and watch the magic happen. All folders were created in seconds. Now your boss decides he wants the folders named as department and employee. Easy. We will use another command in the CMD to rename the folders with the help of Excel using a function called text join. The renaming command consists of two parts: old folder names and new folder names. And your command should look something like this. Now again, open CMD from the folder path, copy and paste your list, hit enter, and in less than a minute, all your folders are renamed. Boss made a mistake in his request? No problem, we'll fix it. Copy and paste the new folder name as value in the old name folder column. Fix the formula in the new folder name column and repeat the process. Let's create some files now in CMD. Use these commands. The command should look like this. Type echo, followed by a space, then the greater than sign, then space, and wrap the file name with double quotation. The file should contain at the end the file extension. For Excel, the extension is .xlsx. For CSV, the extension is .xls. For Word, the extension is .docx or .doc. For text, the extension is .txt. Renaming files follows the same process as renaming the folders. One last tip for today. If you need to copy your file names into Excel, you only have to select them, hold the Shift key, right-click, and copy as path. Paste them into Excel. They will include the folder path. You could always remove it if you don't need it. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create and manage files and folders at lightning speed. Try these tricks yourself and watch your productivity soar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.